Hey guys, good afternoon. Ryan Kerrigan here. We're at MarineMax Danvers. We're checking out a new stock boat. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Super popular boat, very functional, and I'm going to show you guys some of the features and options on it today. Starting at the rear, you have your V8 Mercury outboard, 300 horsepower. Really good platform for this boat. You can get this boat probably up into mid to high 40s pretty easily, depending on what you have for equipment and folks on board. Really spacious swim platform here on the back. A lot of latches, looks a little bit confusing, but actually very simple. You do have a fully concealed swim ladder towards the rear. The reason I like pointing that out, really simple, but very good safety feature of the boat. You do have the swim ladder fully concealed and covered so that you don't have anybody tripping over the hardware. On either side, you do have these flip-up seats. Very simple to stow away. These are on magnets and snaps. Half twist, tuck the rear cushion away, fold down the backrest, and again, continuing that theme, nice non-skid platform for anybody that's going to be doing any fishing or just easy use getting on and off the boat. You do have access to a live well here, fully insulated. So I really like how they do this on the Dauntless, this rear space. A lot of different functions, a lot of different uses for whatever you're going to be doing for the day. Moving up towards the main cockpit area here, you do have this very nice Deluxe leaning post. This has flip down bolsters and armrests, as well as some dry storage in the rear. Very nice, very functional. And a very nice dash here as well. Super large Simrad multifunction display, chart plotter, GPS fish finder, all in one. JL audio, Bluetooth stereo. Simrad flush mounted factory VHF. Lockable glove box for all your keep all items, phone, wallet, keys. Digital throttle and shift, active trim, Mercury binnacle, and all your rocker style switches here. Bilge pump, freshwater wash down, live well, courtesy lights. Very functional and accessible, super clean. I love how they do it on this boat. Nice half windshield, fiberglass hardtop as well. Some life jacket storage up above. Moving up towards the bow, you have your super large coffin style sun pad here with an ample amount of storage underneath as well. This can be rod holder storage, floats, tubes, buckets, whatever you need. And obviously covered by a very large sun pad. Up towards the bow, continuing that theme, you do have flip-up backrests here. So you can have kind of a two-position or two-area front-facing lounger. Moving up towards the bow. So guys, plenty of seating on this boat, plenty of functions. It's great for fishing, great for water sports, or great for just family activities, cruising, entertaining. If you want to come check it out and get a better feel for the model, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers. All right, thank you.